We're going to go over the Combat Ready Clamp, or CRoC, today. Basically, one thing I want to remind you guys of is it's very important to play around with these devices and actually apply them before you take them into combat. Some of them are quite complicated and it can take some extra time to put together, and you don't want to be figuring that out when you're on the battlefield taking care of a combat casualty. Okay, so setting up the CRoC, first thing we got to do is take it out of the pouch. You see the first piece that comes out is the actual base itself. Go ahead and unravel that. It's got a simple little pull device here. Stand up the base, set it down for later. Next piece coming in is the arm itself. This is a little detent up top. So pull a detent, push in the arm, and secure it. Next piece to go on is the actual pressure device itself. Come in from the top, screw it in as fast as possible. You can put your finger down there to feel for it. It needs enough room to apply the pressure ball, which you can see here, which is applied next. Clips on right on the bottom. Figure out where your landmarks are. One thing you will need to do is, using the ball detent, get it up nice and high for the casualty, pull it in, and then slide the securing strap underneath the patient's back, putting the base right underneath the butt. And again, we can adjust further, bring it into the patient, make sure and snap it into place. Adjust it to your patient and adjust your arm accordingly. Again, checking placement before you tighten. And then you can start tightening. Tighten it down to apply pressure. Tighten it down. Once you think you have enough pressure, you can check a pulse. Still feel pulse. A few more turns. Okay, no more pulse. Secure your strap to hold the CRoC in place. Ball detents are secured. Hemorrhage is controlled. Again, make sure you annotate the time of application either on device or on the DD1380 combat casualty card.